Light up a smile in your heart and lie down on your back, arms alongside but slightly away from the body, palms facing the sky. Move your head and body from side to side to acquire a comfortable stance. Close your eyes and let go. Exhale completely through the mouth and continue deep but unforced breathing through the nose thereafter. Surrendering more and more to the pull of gravity with every exhalation. For maximum benefit from Yoga Nidra, avoid sleep and avoid movement throughout the experience. Now, in Vipassana, meditate on the sounds. First from afar. Just as you hear a sound, shift attention to the next. Keep following the sounds nearer and nearer. Finally, being aware of the sounds emanating from your body, sounds of breath, sounds of heartbeats. Now in Angnivas Kriya, bring awareness to the body part as it is named. Dwell on it. Repeat its name in your mind, but do not move the part. Stay still and, above all, avoid sleep. Begin from the right side. Right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, waist, right groin, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second, third, fourth and fifth, the little toe. Now the left side, left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, waist, left groin, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second, third, fourth and fifth, the little toe. Remain awake, avoid sleep. Now at a faster rate, right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, waist, right groin, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second, third, fourth, and fifth, the little toe. Move to the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, waist, left groin, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second, third, fourth, and fifth, the little toe. Stay awake. Avoid sleep. Bring attention now to the points where the body touches the floor. Right heel and floor, left heel and floor, right calf and floor, left calf and floor, right buttock and floor, left buttock and floor, right arm and floor, left arm and floor, the back, the whole back and floor, right shoulder blade and floor, left shoulder blade and floor, the heart and floor, back of the brain and floor. Remain awake. Now repeat. Both heels, both calves, both buttocks, both arms, whole back, both shoulder blades, the heart, back of the brain, all together and floor. The crown at the top, and now the front side. First the forehead, the whole forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, center of the eyebrows, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, both eyes together, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, nose, tip of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, both lips together, chin, right jaw, left jaw, both together, throat, neck, right collarbone, left collarbone, chest, in the chest, right lung, left lung, in the middle, heart, right lung, left lung, and heart, all together, whole chest together, below the chest, the belly, in the belly, on the right, liver, on the left, stomach, in the middle, navel, belly, below the navel, belly, above the navel, both together, the whole belly together, the belly and chest together, the whole trunk together. Do not sleep. Stay awake. Now the bigger parts. Right leg, the whole right leg, the whole right leg, left leg, the whole left leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, both legs together, right arm and hand, the whole right arm, the whole right arm, left arm and hand, the whole left arm, the whole left arm, both arms together, both arms together, the head, the trunk, both arms, both legs, all together, the head, the trunk, both arms, both legs, together, all together, the whole body together, the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Stay awake, avoid sleep. Now the chakras, energy centers in the body. Listen carefully. In the perineum, between the genitals and the anus, is located the root chakra, Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhara. A little above Mooladhara and below the sacrum, in the spinal cord, is the sacral chakra, Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana. Below the navel, in the vertebral column, is the solar plexus chakra, Manipur chakra. Manipur. Behind the heart, in the vertebral column, is the heart chakra, Anahat chakra. Anahat. Behind the throat, in the vertebral column, is the throat chakra, Vishuddha chakra. Vishuddha. Below the center of the eyebrows, in the mid-brain, is the brow chakra, Ajna chakra. Ajna. A little above, where the Brahmins grow a tuft of hair, is the Bindu Visarga. Bindu. At the crown of the head, inside the brain, is the crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. Sahasrara. To repeat, in the perineum, Mooladhara, in the sacrum, Swadhisthana, below the navel, Manipur, below the heart, Anahat, behind the throat, Vishuddha, behind the center of the eyebrows, Ajna, a little above Bindu, and in the crown, Sahasrara. The energy flows where the attention goes. To remove blockages in chakras, follow quickly from the root chakra, Mooladhara. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana. Swadhisthana, Manipur. Manipur, Anahat. Anahat, Vishuddha. Vishuddha, Ajna. Ajna, Bindu. Bindu, Sahasrara. Sahasrara, Bindu. Bindu, Ajna. Ajna, Vishuddha. Vishuddha, Anahat. Anahat, Manipur. Manipur, Swadhisthana. Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. Now faster. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana. Swadhisthana, Manipur. Manipur, Anahat. Anahat, Vishuddha. Vishuddha, Ajna. Ajna, Bindu. Bindu, Sahasrara. Sahasrara, Bindu. Bindu, Ajna. Ajna Vishuddha, Vishuddha Anahat, Anahat Manipur, Manipur Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana Muladhar, Muladhar Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana Manipur, Manipur Anahat, Anahat Vishuddha, Vishuddha Ajna, Ajna Bindu, Bindu Sahasrara, Sahasrara Bindu, Bindu Ajna, Ajna Vishuddha, Vishuddha Anahat, Anahat Manipur, Manipur Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana Muladhar. We are now near the culmination of this experience. Be aware of your breathing. Feel it in the nostrils and the belly. Observe the belly moving up and down with every inhalation and exhalation. Become conscious of the places where the body is touching the floor. Breathing deeply, pay attention to the sounds around you. Moving your fingers and toes, prepare to rise. And when you feel like it, turn on your side and move on. Yoga Nidra is now over.